Number 1. 1987 Ford F250 XLT Lariat, $6,500, Lake Stevens, Washington. This 1987 Ford F250 XLT Lariat is a well-optioned heavy-duty pickup featuring the desirable 7.5-liter V8 engine, known for its strong torque and towing capability. With only 68,000 miles, it presents as a relatively low-mileage survivor. The truck has been revived after sitting with a new battery and starter solenoid, and it runs well with good tires and dual fuel tanks. Features like power windows, power locks, and a functional liftgate add practicality. Minor issues such as a window off track and ignition key damage are manageable. Overall, this is a solid, usable classic with increasing collector interest in late 1980s Ford trucks. Number 2. 1979 Ford F100, $10,000, Lapine, Oregon. This 1979 Ford F100 represents the final years of the classic Ford dent-side design, powered by a 302 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission. The truck is described as straight and rust-free, which is highly desirable for this era. Although it has been sitting and requires recommissioning, it ran when parked, suggesting a solid mechanical base. With 200,000 miles, it reflects typical usage, but the structural integrity makes it an excellent restoration candidate. These trucks are increasingly valued for their simple design and classic styling. Number 3. 1957 Chevrolet 4400 Dually, $6,000, Spokane, Washington. This 1957 Chevrolet 4400 Dually is a large, medium-duty truck powered by a 235 cubic inch inline-6 engine and manual transmission. It runs and drives well with recent maintenance, including new fluids, ignition components, and battery. The undercoated frame and refurbished wood bed enhance its presentation, while the rust-free condition is a major advantage. The only significant issue is a failing master cylinder, affecting braking performance. These trucks are known for their durability and vintage workhorse appeal, making this example a strong candidate for restoration or display. Number 4. 1946 Studebaker M5, $10,000, Watsonville, California. This 1946 Studebaker M5 is a classic post-war half-ton pickup powered by a 170 cubic inch flathead inline-6 engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. The addition of a 12-volt electrical conversion improves reliability and usability. Recent work, including fresh brakes and new mounts, supports its running and driving condition. Studebaker trucks from this era are appreciated for their unique styling and historical significance. This example offers a usable vintage driving experience with solid mechanical updates. Number 5. 1966 Ford F250, $4,900, Malibu, California. This 1966 Ford F250 features a strong running V8 engine and appealing original turquoise paint with natural patina. With 57,034 miles showing, though likely rolled over, it represents a typical survivor truck. The vehicle runs well and has newer tires, making it usable as is. However, rust issues, particularly around the roof, require attention and may impact long-term preservation. Despite these flaws, it retains solid character and originality, making it a good candidate for either restoration or continued patina-style driving. Number 6. 1978 Ford F150 four-wheel drive. $15,000, Colton, Oregon. This 1978 Ford F150 is a highly original, rust-free example equipped with a V8 engine and automatic transmission. With 110,000 miles and single-owner history, it stands out for its authenticity. The truck runs well and retains most of its original components, aside from minor upgrades. While it needs a power steering pump and tailgate repair, its overall condition is excellent. Late 1970s Ford four-wheel drive trucks are increasingly collectible, and this example offers a strong foundation for preservation or light restoration. Number 7. 1988 Ford F250 Custom, $1,750, Parkrose, Oregon. This 1988 Ford F250 Custom is a budget-friendly classic work truck powered by a 5.8-liter V8 and automatic transmission. With approximately 84,000 to 94,000 miles and no major rust or dents, it presents as a solid driver. Having been stored for several years, it still runs well, indicating good mechanical health. Its simplicity and durability make it ideal as a work truck or entry-level classic. At this price point, it offers excellent value for practical use. Number 8. 1967 Chevrolet C10 long bed, $15,000, Fort Lupton, Colorado. This 1967 Chevrolet C10 marks the first year of the highly desirable Action Line body style. Powered by a 283 cubic inch V8 and manual transmission, it delivers a classic driving experience. The truck has undergone thoughtful updates, including new upholstery, floorboards, and rocker panels, while maintaining minimal rust. With a strong running engine and clean title, it represents a well-preserved example. These trucks are highly sought after, and this one balances originality with tasteful restoration work. Number 9. 1950 Dodge B2 pickup, $2,000, Alameda, California. This 1950 Dodge B2 is part of the iconic Pilot House series, known for its distinctive cab design and excellent visibility. Powered by a flathead inline-six engine and manual transmission, it offers a classic post-war driving experience. The truck is described as solid with a strong running engine and clean interior. Its originality and historical significance make it appealing to collectors. At this price, it represents an affordable entry into early classic truck ownership. Number 10. 1986 Chevrolet Silverado, $5,000, Inola, Oklahoma. This 1986 Chevrolet Silverado is a square-body pickup equipped with a V8 engine and automatic transmission. It features a recently rebuilt transmission with very low miles and new tires, which significantly adds to its value. With 76,310 miles, it appears to be a relatively low-mileage example. The primary issue is a failing alternator, which is a straightforward repair. Overall, this truck offers a strong mechanical foundation and classic styling, making it a practical and collectible choice. Number 11. Nissan 720 Extended Cab, $700, Lake Stevens, Washington. This Nissan 720 extended cab pickup is a compact classic project truck offered in non-running condition. With 170,000 miles and having sat for a decade, it will require mechanical recommissioning, particularly in the fuel and ignition systems. The rust-free body is a major advantage, as these trucks are often prone to corrosion. While the interior is incomplete and additional repairs are needed, it provides a solid base for restoration. These lightweight trucks are valued for their simplicity and reliability once restored. Number 12. 1979 GMC High Sierra Camper Special, $5,000, Seattle, Washington. This 1979 GMC High Sierra Camper Special is equipped with a powerful 454 cubic inch big block engine, making it ideal for heavy-duty applications. Although currently inoperable due to fuel system contamination and a transmission gasket issue, it does run and has significant potential. Camper Special models are designed for hauling and towing, adding to their desirability. With proper repairs, this truck could become a strong and capable classic utility vehicle. Number 13. 1976 International Loadstar Flatbed, $5,000, Seattle, Washington. This 1976 International Loadstar is a heavy-duty flatbed truck powered by a 345 cubic inch V8 engine, paired with a 4-speed manual transmission and a 2-speed rear axle. With a gross vehicle weight rating of 22,000 pounds, it is built for serious work. The engine runs strong with good oil pressure, indicating solid mechanical condition. These trucks are known for their rugged durability and industrial appeal. This example is well suited for restoration, commercial use, or as a unique vintage hauler.